Taiwan, Maxine, and I just feel like last media conference was just yesterday, like just something very close, and everybody, some old faces from the media, and they're so happy to see you here. Oh, flashlight. Okay, all right. So before we start the Q&A, Maxine, do you want to say hello to all the Taiwanese fans, because there are some television online people, live streaming, they're watching this media conference as well. So you can go ahead and say hello to them, and I will translate for you. Okay.
So hello everyone, thank you all for coming. I'm really happy to be back. It's been, I think, around 2 years since my last trip here, and I'm very excited for this trip, especially because this time I'm presenting my new album called The Segmented, so I'm very excited to show to all my fans here.
Thank you. 麦克森先生说他非常的激动，因为已经2年没有回到台湾了。然后这次非常特别，因为他有重新就是编曲和制作新的曲目带给大家。这个曲目的这个专辑叫做 Segmented， 对，翻译成中文叫边界这样子。然后他这次世界巡演刚开始，他就选择来到台湾，所以他很激动，他可以把这新的音乐带给他在台湾的粉丝。All right, now we have some questions for you, and the first one is, what is the difference or something new for Segmented compared with the last collection?
But basically, collection was the best of album, so it was a collection of my most popular hits throughout my crossover career. And this is the album with all new songs, so I have 8 new songs. And as always, I wanted to do like different types of music, to explore different genres of music. So we have like classical ballets, classical pieces. We have some songs from the mainstream pop and rock, and also of course 3 original songs by my dear old friend Tonči Kulić, who is responsible for many hits throughout my career.
麦克森先生有跟大家分享他的新专辑，这里面有8首是全新的歌然后里面呢，除了把一些古典的音乐融入他的那个流行的，给大家一个不同的诠释之外，还有另外3首是他非常好的一个朋友帮他单独制作和写的，所以一共11首歌和大家分享。Great, okay, all right. So what's something new for the staging you can share with us? Because I have to say, the staging with the band is amazing. Like the visual part. Like myself, I enjoy it. My eyes are just keep opening for the show. So, but for this Segmented, anything new for the staging?
Well, first of all, the band is bigger. We have more instruments because the orchestration of the new album is a bit wider. So we had a need to have more instruments. Then stage setting is completely different than the collection one. The video projections are much more elaborated. We have an amazing guy on the video, Ivan, who is very creative. So creates amazing lights and video goals on the stage.
Thank you. 麦克森先生有和大家分享，这一次的巡演 Segmented 和上一次的 Collection 比呢，乐团的人数增加了如果大家2月8号来北流，2月9号来高雄，你会发现舞台上的乐手有增加，然后有增加管乐的部分，所以整体的听觉上你会觉得很丰富这是其一。然后其二呢，如果上一次2年前大家有来麦克森的现场，你可能会有看到，就是在视觉上它是有一个即时的一个手部的动作、脸部的动作，还有切换。那这次有加入一些新的视觉的元素。那大家知道，因为与时俱进有 AI 的效果，所以其实我想说，北流和高流的那个效果，现场是会非常震撼的，对。Great. All right. So, this is a question from the fans. Maxim, you've been touring for so many countries, like every country basically. And in Asia, you go to Korea, Japan, China, Hong Kong, everywhere, and now in Taiwan. What's the difference for the audience in Taiwan? You feel like, are they the same or they are different? How do you feel about your fans in Taiwan?
I've been coming here for, I think, 20 years now.
Yeah.
Since my first album, The Piano Player, which I think then sold, triple platinum here. So every time I come back here, it's so nice, because I have such a loyal fans. and they create such an amazing atmosphere. I remember every concert
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
like really dynamic. So I'm really looking forward very much for tomorrow and after tomorrow.
Thank you。麦克先生有分享，他觉得台湾他的乐迷和粉丝朋友们都非常非常的忠实，就是因为他第一次来台湾是20年前，当时他发行他第一张唱片，20年过去了，他的粉丝还在这里举手。They are your royal fans, following for many, many, many years. They are the representatives of the VIP fans. Okay, all right, Maxine, what is your plan after this Taiwan tour? Like, what's your this Asia tour like? Do you want to go to any other countries or anything new this year?
So my collection tour, previous tour, had 109 concerts, and on the span of 2 years, we've been to more than 20 countries on 4 continents. So this tour only started last year in the autumn, and we did mostly covered Asia for now. I think in summer and autumn we have Europe. Then autumn is North America, America and Canada, and Australia.
Yes.
Together.
Yeah.
And what's left? I think, I mean, I expect probably like the next year and a half or 2 years. It's going to be presenting of my new album, Segmented.
This is very important. That means everyone can expect you're going to be there in their country.
Yeah.
And we can see in live performance here. 麦克先生也有分享这个 Segmented 的世界巡演是从去年年底开始的，然后目前只是有在亚洲进行巡演，那他之后会去到北美然后也会到欧洲，然后也会到澳洲。那他相信在接下来1年半至2年之间，他会有这个 Segmented 的世界巡演，然后争取去到更多的国家和更多当地的乐迷进行分享。对 ，All right. There is one more question from the Taiwanese fans is, have you ever thought about to collaborate with a Taiwanese artist, like a local one?
I don't know, I never say never, you know, I'm open to things, but I'm not that good with collaboration, you know. I was always more interested and more concentrated on my, like a solo work, solo performance with my band. Because my music is instrumental, so as soon as I start to collaborate with maybe a singer, then it changes the style of the music, because my music is without the words. Maybe some instrumental is possible.
You did with dancer at one time, right?
Yeah, with dancer is a different thing, yeah.
How do you feel about it? Like,
it's very nice. I mean, I love the dance. I think it's very similar art to my art, and I think it's a good combination.
So this is a message that you're open to all kind of artists in Taiwan. If they're interested in this study invitation, right? 麦克森先生和大家分享，他其实是很 open， 也欢迎台湾在地的艺术家和他发出邀请，进行一个互动的在舞台上的一个联动的演出。那在他过去，其实因为他已经有一个很资深的乐团和他一起在舞台上演奏了，但是他之前是有和舞者在舞台上一起表演过我记得是在was in Shanghai, right? The dancer.
Yes. Sergei Polunin.
Yeah. What's
Mercedes Benz Arena.
Yeah, what's huge? Yeah. 他之前是有和一个非常有名的舞者在上海的宾士的场馆进行合作，所以其实，在台湾任何有这个意愿的艺术家，欢迎你和我们联络。对。好，那我们现在就要开放我们的记者联访了，然后我们的粉丝团团长和我们的超级 VIP 粉丝代表，请你们踊跃的提问，因为麦克森先生已经准备好要来回答你的问题了。So we're gonna have a Q&A with them, and they will raise their hand and they will ask you a question. Okay? 你好，我有2个问题，然后一个问题是，我们都知道麦肯森先生《大黄蜂的飞行器》他非常著名的一个作品，然后每一次他演奏都要演奏这首歌，因为大家都太喜欢了。那对他自己而言，他心境上有没有什么不同？然后还有一个问题就是，非常好奇，请问麦肯森先生会听流行歌吗？可以跟我们分享一下，谢谢。
So the first question is, everybody so in love with the live photography. So you play that music also for the concert, right? The media wants to know, do you play that every time? Do you feel the same or you feel different? How do you feel so excited every time I play. How do you?
You know, once I said the beauty of my work is, you know, especially songs like Bumblebee and Exodus, which I play for 20 years, you know, and I know, you know, my fans wouldn't be happy if I don't play it on the show. But every now and then, because it's a different atmosphere, it's a different vibe, it's a different audience, I get so carried away, you know, as if I'm playing it for the first time. Not every time, but you know, every couple of times, and I get so much carried away, and I say this is the beauty of my work, is it's always something different, always something fresh, and always something new, you know, with the same songs also.
所以他本身大概的意思就是说，他每一次弹还是有不一样的激情和感动在里面。虽然他可能每次重复，他真的是已经弹到你知道，就每次都要弹，可是他还是有不同的激情和感动。
She has one more question. She just wanted to share what you listen to. Pop songs. Pop music.
I like to explore all different types of music, you know, because I listen it as a musician, as a professional. So, you know, I try to see some new ideas to implement on my music, or like, you know, some instruments and some types of. So yeah, I listen to pop music, I listen to rock, but mostly 80% is classical music that I listen to.
所以麦可欣先生平时的播放表是80%古典音乐，20%摇滚和流行音乐。好，谢谢你 ，Thank you。我们预计要停留多久？有没有想要去哪些地方走走或逛逛？然后大家也知道，就是手指对钢琴家来说是很重要的部位。想请问他，就是麦可先生平常是怎么保养手指的？
Okay. So her first question is, she wondering if you're going to go out to anywhere for this journey in Taiwan for the next 3 days. And the second question is, everybody knows your hand is so precious. How do you protect everything? How do you maintain it?
I don't know if I will have time to go out here, because after the Kaohsiung concert we have a flight at 8 o'clock in the morning, so I don't know, but yeah, I look forward to, you know, to see my fans tomorrow on the concert. But with my hands, I don't know, I'm really careful, you know. I'm very disciplined because I tend to practice a lot still, because I enjoy practicing. So sometimes I practice 5 or 6 hours. So my muscles and my hands are super sensitive, very sensitive, and I'm not allowed to carry even like a bags from the grocery or anything in my hands, because otherwise my muscles get stiff. So I have special creams to relax them, you know, and being just generally very, very careful.
麦可森先生这次的行程非常紧凑，因为明天是我们的北流，后天是我们高流，然后周一抬脚飞吉隆坡了，是他的行程。但是我觉得他还是有时间去吃小吃、逛一逛，等高雄场结束，这是第一个问题。那第二个问题的话是关于他的手，他其实是一个非常自律的钢琴家。这我可以见证，就是其实麦可森先生在台湾，我们是有专门帮他买一架钢琴，放去酒店让他练。I was mentioning about we actually purchased a piano for you to practice this for Taiwan. Yeah.
Unfortunately, yeah, my instrument is quite big, so I can't carry it with me. So we need to provide.
Yeah.
I never say that.
Yeah. 因为他真的是会一下来就练琴，这在大部分的钢琴家身上还是比较少见的，因为大部分的人是会休息，可是他就是要练琴。然后他平时比较少提重物，然后会吐 cream。但是和他一起工作的这些年，我不得不讲，麦可森是一个非常 gentleman 的人。因为有时候我们欧巡，我提不了琴的时候，他有时候还是会帮我拿一下，所以他是个很好的人。I was saying, I remember once in London or Paris, you still being very gentleman to help me to push the luggage because I'm too small. But next time I will try to be strong. I'll eat more. Okay. I'll eat more. Yeah. 对，他是一个很好的人。对 ，OK， 我们还有一个问题，有媒体朋友想要问吗？哦，好。那诚如刚刚说的，就是手对他来说一定是非常重要的，也想请教一下他会不会特别帮手做保险？谢谢。
No, I never wanted to insure my hands because I think I'm superstitious. I believe that as soon as I insure them, that something will happen. So I just rely on my luck.
麦克森先生说他有一点点迷信，就是他觉得他如果保险的话，他的手就会出问题，所以他就不保险了。对。 这个回答 OK 吗 ？OK. Alright. We have got one more question, but it's a secret box. It's something we prepared for the online fans.
So
Very fancy.
I prepared a special box. Can you
Who
choose
made
the
this question?
all your fans online? Yeah, you make the lucky one and we. Okay. Oh, so this fans is asking. I will say that in Mandarin first. 这位幸运的粉丝问麦克森先生，每天都会练琴吗？大概练习多久呢？ So this fans is asking you, do you practice every day? And if you do, how long is the duration you normally spend on the piano?
When I have a tour, when I'm on tour, I practice almost every day. On the day of the show, I don't practice much. I just warm up in the morning. I don't know. It goes from 3 to 6, 7 hours sometimes. Not maybe 7 anymore. 5 to 6. I don't know why.
Yeah.
5 to 6. But there are big periods where I don't practice. You know, because for example, this autumn we had like 31 concerts in 2 months, something 2.5 months. It was really intense. Then I need to have the gap where I, remove myself from the piano because I need to regenerate mentally and physically. And for example, in summers, I do not tend to work. I don't have concerts, so I practice less. But I need to have these, periods where I can, relax my mind and my muscles.
麦克森先生跟大家分享，他其实如果正常的话，一天会练7到8个小时，但是这个节奏的把控还有平衡他的巡演的节奏，他自己的身心，他自己还是会去把控。还有就是他和大家分享，就是他自己平时虽然巡演有的时候可能3到4个月都要很紧凑的这样子走，可是他还是会空出2、3个月什么都不做，就是放松自己。对，那到结尾的时候，其实我个人是想要问麦克森先生一个问题，因为最近媒体朋友们大家也都知道，就是我们有一位艺人就是去世。对，那我是想说，其实我们大家就是我们自己，或许我们应该更专注在我们自己的健康的保护上面。那我想让麦克森先生和我们大家分享一下，他是怎么可以让自己有这么多的能量。然后20年了，我不知道有没有媒体朋友20年之前有在这边采访过他，但是我和他工作快10年了，我觉得他一直都是属于一个高能量，然后是一个永远都是很向上阳光的一个艺术家，我觉得这个很难得。那不管他是吃了什么保健品，还是他做了什么，我们来问他这个问题好不好？如果他分享给我们，或许我们也可以去买那个保健品。所以下面这个问题我来问他，替大家问，这样子大家都可以健健康康。This is a question from me, Maxim. I think this year I really start to focus on my self-care and health, and I think being healthy is very important. You've been to Taiwan for 20 years. I've been working with you for nearly 10 years. To be very honest, you always very healthy and warm and positive and energetic. I know you must be tired sometimes after tour, but it's amazing how to keep it, I mean, I know we're all aging, we're getting old, right? This is a very natural cycle, but your energy level is always there. So I know you're doing lots of sports. I went hiking with you once. I couldn't catch you. I couldn't catch you. But I wanted to share with people because I think we all need to take care of our health, So something you want to share with the people in Taiwan, any tips how to maintain a balanced life, which has energy?
I like to, what you said, I like to walk, I like nature. The thing is, because of my work, I'm always surrounded, I'm always in big cities with a lot of concrete and a lot of people. So when I have day off, it's always the first thing that I ask. I need to go to nature, to woods, because it calms me down and I have my inner peace. But regarding the energy, I'm generally a positive person, but I think that I'm really lucky, and I always remind myself, I'm really lucky. I'm doing something which I really like, and I'm good at it, and I enjoy traveling around the world and meeting my fans, and sometimes when I go down and when I have my problems, which we all do, I always try to remember myself, you should be really lucky, because you're in a position, which we need to be very grateful, so yeah.
Thank you. I will translate it. Okay. 我觉得这个部分我很想和媒体朋友还有我们追随麦克森很多年，我也认识你们的朋友分享，就是 他其实也是有很多的压力的，因为我觉得作为艺术家在舞台上演奏，其实是一件很 challenge 的事情。那麦肯森先生他是一个非常热爱大自然的人，他现在台湾我有陪他爬过山，然后在澳洲我们也爬过山。我觉得其实我们有时候可能要放下手上的工作，就去大自然里面去放空自己，把我们身上的压力把它排泄出来，我觉得是第一个。第二个的就是可能我们自己，因为他刚刚有说他其实很感恩他现在拥有的，就比方说明天在北流，后天在高流，然后要去吉隆坡，他很感恩他现在的生活。那其实我觉得我们大家也应该很感恩我们各自的生活，因为周围都有一份很好的工作，因为我们现在在传播艺术，所以希望大家在12年都可以健健康康、平安、快快乐乐的。对，所以也是我代表艺人以及好满音乐有限公司想传递给大家的一个 message。谢谢。OK， 然后想祝大家12年新年快乐。I just wanted to say Happy Chinese New Year。
新年快乐。
Thank you。然后我们也想邀请大家2月8号和9号和我们共襄盛举，好不好？那我们媒体朋友，我们一起上来和麦肯森先生合照好不好？不用吗？好，谢谢。那边，OK 了哈，好吗？松弛船长，我的超级粉丝。
好，四位这边入归。
OK， 好，那我们谢谢哦，这边还有。